A desperate father's appeal in Jammu and Kashmir. A Kashmiri citizen, Abdul Hai Khatib, has alleged that Hurriyat Haq Said Ali Shah Gilani sent Khatib's son across the border for arms training. And Pradeep is joining us on the phone. And Pradeep, it's a huge allegation made against the separatist Haq. Now, what's Khatib's case here? What's he saying?
See, Niranjan, that is the harsh reality of Kashmir. If we look at their sons and kins of these separatist leaders, they are enjoying their lifestyle. And what we see in case of the common man, their sons are suffering. And that is what exactly had happened in this case also in early 90s. It was the father alleges that it was Said Ali Shah Gilani who sent his son across the border. And that time he had promised that he will be not only having a better lifestyle there, but also he will be getting adequate money. But once the son went across the border, he went to Rawalpindi area for the arms training. And after that, he realized that within months, everything was quite dejected. He had to struggle for his life, and on many times he had been calling his father from the Rawalpindi saying that he is really worried. He really wants to come back and do something so that he can just come back home. And at one point of time, the father has even to sell his plot. He says that he gave money to Gilani because through Gilani he wanted to send money to Pakistan to his son. But what exactly is the father is really perturbed about, because he had a lot of expectations from Gilani. He thought that the Gilani who is projecting himself as a leader of Kashmiri masses, he must be sending the money to his son. But what exactly, as we know, the value of the Indian rupee is more than that of Pakistan rupee. It didn't send the exact value to him. But now the old man's plea to the government is that facilitate the return of the son back home. And he says that this is the real face of the separatist leaders who promise something but they don't fulfill the promises. It is after all their sons who keep on enjoying, but their sons continue to suffer.
Pradeep, many thanks for that. Let's listen into what Khatib had to say about Gilani. He's exposed Gilani.
कौन बाप नहीं चाहता अपना बेटा उसके पास हो? हर एक बाप चाहता है बेटा उसके सामने हो। अब मेरी उम्र 84 साल है, अब मौत कल या परसों आने वाली है। अपना बेटा भी सामने नहीं होगा तो फिर क्या है? और उसको भेजे, वो क्या वहाँ भूखा मरता? वो भेजे मैंने गिलानी साहब को दिए, गिलानी साहब ने उसको दिए। वहाँ श्रीनगर में थे HMT के पास, जहाँ HMT का कारखाना तो वहीं साथ ही थी। वहाँ भी 7-8 लाख रुपए एक कनाल के आते थे। मुझे 1.5 लाख में बेचनी पड़ी, मजबूरी थी। ऐसे मैंने गिलानी को दिए, गिलानी ने वहाँ दिए।